Hi, this is Chef Rafi and welcome to my show.
Sak ni Chef Rafi.
Naimbag nga adlaw yo amin gagayem.
Today we will cook a vegetarian dish. Today we'll cook Filipino food.
Naimas ken sustansya tilutok itang aldaw tokwak bet.
For the Ilocano people, this dish is heresy, but it's delicious.
Tokwak bet.
You cannot find this word in Google because I made it up.
Saan mo ang mabirokan ti balikas at tokwak bet iti diksyonaryo tan Chef Rafi tinagputar. Manipod kadagiti balikas a pinakbet ken tokwa tinagan at tokwak bet.
Hi, Mr. President. I have a surprise for you today. I am going to cook a recipe that I only know how to make. It is called tteokbokki. This word I made up. You can't find it anywhere. I Googled this word and it doesn't exist. It is now copyrighted Chef Rafi. This is a good dish for Filipino vegetarians because it includes tokwa. These are the ingredients.
Kang ronan araman ti tokwak bet dagitoy.
We will not be using meat.
Lipatin kan tunuen ngem madak tunjay tanem.
If you knew the meaning of that song, you'll realize that some people really love my cooking. You have to use Ilocano anchovy paste. It has the Ilocano ingredients KBL, but not the tokwa. This puffed tokwa is like a sponge. All the juice would be absorbed in the tokwa.
Han unay an naraman ti tokwa, ngem naimas metlaeng no bumlad iti digo ti tokwak bet.
Look at all the juice inside. Wash the vegetables really well. We're gonna cut the vegetables like this. Cut the heads off the okra. Decapitate the eggplant.
Kastoy ti panagiwa iti tarong.
We would use lasana, not lason. You must use the little onions. They have better flavor.
Iwaem ti kamatis ken sibuyas. Pitpitem ti laya.
Pound the luya. Now we'll cut the spongy tofu.
Tokwa laeng iti sagpaw na. Awan ti lames pasayang wenno baboy.
Cut the eggplant in strips like this. Remember, this is a Chef Rafi special dish.
Gudwaem ken ibukelam ti parya. Samon to iwaen ti paatigdog.
Oray na napait ti parya, dakkel ti maited na sustansya ken maaramat pay nga agas.
Look, I took out the seeds. Don't cut these the Chinese way. Cut them big.
Napanagdakan pay ang samay nga agas ti parya iti diabetes ken rheuma.
Look, the vegetables are all chopped up.
Nagalipen dagiti natnateng. Agluto tayon apo.
You can use long beans or sitaw, but that has a different name. It's called tteokbokki.
Sagatam ti buggoong amonamon tapno saan a makapagatal.
I never use oil and peanut butter for this dish.
Saan arubang na ang maigisa ti pinakbet ngem sabali ti pinagluto iti tokwakbet.
First, we would stir fry the onions and ginger.
Iyon na nga igisa ti laya ken laso na. Inayon mo ti okra, samon to iparabaw ti parya ken tarong.
Inayon mo tarabanglo nga bubuong nga munamon.
Nayon am ti danom no kasapulan, tapno haan na makset.
Bayam basit nga agburak samonton isarno sagpaw na aprinito atokwa. Ikabil mo tay danom kan kalabam aging gana nga agburak.
Shake it, don't stir it, or else it would be bitter.
Pakapsutem ti apoy kan lutuam pay basit.
San mo unay akadwenti danom pan nakadigo tinat nateng. Taagbalin to a pinakbaw. Bayat amalutluto, haan mo akikiwaren. Bayam latan alumsa ken kumbet tagiti nateng. Ramanam ti templa ti digo, warisam iti sang kabasit nga asen no nalabay.
Kaslabag net ti tsura ti tokwa nga us-usarak ditoy.
Naluton, kimbet dagi nateng ken basit laing tinabati adigo.
Naluton, ay apo nagimasen, mantayon.
Naimas nga ipares iti inapoy ken tinuno nga ikan.
I would cook this dish for the president one day. Now there are 2 new words in the Filipino language.
Yaman ak unay, dato'y idapdapaw mo dito siyo ko, manak pista ang tumanan apo.